Hello aspirants, a very happy Holi to all of you on behalf of Team LevelUp IAS. On this colorful festive occasion, LevelUp IAS is announcing huge discounts on all our Prelims 2023 courses. This discount would be available with the coupon code of Holi 2023 and would be valid only till 15th March 2023. So which are the courses that we have and what is the discount? Let us briefly look at it. Some of our modular courses are there. Ancient, Medieval and Art and Culture. A lot of students were demanding this course. It is taken by Nikhil sir. It's of around 40 to 50 hours. The demo video for each of these courses, not only for Ancient, Medieval, Science and Tech Environment, all these courses are available in the description. So you watch the demo videos, get satisfied with the quality of teaching, get satisfied with the kind of content we'll be providing, and then think of taking admission. So as I was saying, Ancient, Medieval, Art and Culture by Nikhil sir, we have priced it at 2,500 rupees, but with this discount, it would be available at 2,000 rupees. Similarly, Science and Technology, Environment and Indian Economy module. These three subjects are being taught by me, and each of these three subjects are available at 2,000 rupees right now with this discount coupon. Similarly, we also have a Modern History module. Modern History module has been taken by Vishal sir, and in this module also you are getting this module is also available at a price of only 2,000 rupees. In all these modules, there's a lot of emphasis on not only covering the basic concepts but also ensuring that we solve lots of questions. So in classes only, you will be solving lots of questions, including past year questions, to ensure that your prelims preparation is foolproof. Then we also have other courses. For example, if you go to the next slide, Indian Polity module by Swaminathan sir. Here in around 40 hours, we are trying to cover entire polity, ensuring that students who are weak in polity go through the basics, cover a lot of MCQs and be ready for the examination. Then we have ACE CSAT course. ACE CSAT course we had launched at a cost of 2,000 rupees, but with this 20% discount, it will only be available in 1,600 rupees. Now, if you are not interested in these modular courses but want to take the full course, you can go for Prelims Masters program. In Prelims Masters program, we'll be doing Science and Technology, we'll be doing Environment, we'll be doing History, Geography, Polity, Economy, all 6 modules. But in separately, that would be available in 12,000 rupees. 6 modules into 2,000 rupees for each. But here, it's available only in 8,000 rupees with the discount. And at the end, we have Current Affairs Target Prelims program, which is exclusively taken by me. It's our a very famous popular program where we cover entire Science and Technology, entire Environment, and then current affairs of everything else. We'll be covering current affairs of economy, current affairs of polity, current affairs of art and culture, current affairs of geography, and other miscellaneous things like international bodies, schemes, programs, etc. This program is also available at a discount of 20% with the coupon code Holi 2023. So you can visit levelupias.com and join any of these courses. Let's hope that these courses help you to clear your preliminary examination and is able to level up your UPSC CSE 2023 preparation. Thank you very much.